Car prices are setting a new record. A new report shows the average price for a new car is more than $50,000 for the first time ever. Economists say it's one of many signs of a K-shaped economy, meaning different parts of the economy are recovering at different rates. Current data shows that the wealthiest Americans are spending, but for everyone else,
a $10,000 car can either save you money or quietly drain your bank account for years. And most people don't realize which one they bought until it's too late. Because on the surface, they all look like good deals. Same price, same mileage range, same runs and drives listing. But underneath, some cars are built to last, others are built to fail. Expensively. In this video, I'll show you 10 used cars under $10,000 that won't break you and actually make financial sense. Here's the biggest mistake people make when buying a cheap car. They focus only on the purchase price. They think, if I can get it for under $10,000, I'm safe. But that's not how this works, because cheap cars aren't always cheap to own. In fact, some of the cheapest cars up front end up being the most expensive ones long term. And it's not because of the price tag, it's because of everything that comes after. Repairs, parts availability, fuel consumption. And most importantly, reliability. One breakdown can wipe out months of savings. One major repair, and that budget car suddenly becomes a financial problem. That's where this list isn't about the cheapest cars you can find. It's about the cars that actually make sense to own. Cars with proven engines, simple systems, and a track record of lasting years without draining your wallet. Because at this price point, the wrong car costs you thousands, the right car saves you thousands. 10. Lexus ES 350, 2007 to 2010. At number 10, Lexus ES 350. This is where things get interesting, because on paper, this looks like a luxury car. And usually, that's exactly what you should avoid under $10,000. But this one is different. The ES35 isn't really a true luxury car in the risky sense. Underneath, it's basically a Toyota Camry. Same engineering philosophy, same reliability mindset, same long-term durability. And that changes everything. You're getting a smooth V6 engine, a quiet, refined ride, and a level of comfort most cars in this price range can't touch. But without the usual luxury car problems. No complicated air suspension, no overly complex systems, no constant expensive surprises. Maintenance stays predictable. Parts are widely available, and most mechanics already know how to work on it. That's why this car makes sense, because it gives you the feeling of a $30,000 car at a $10,000 price point without turning into a financial mistake. 9. Chevrolet Impala 2010 to 2013. At number 9, Chevrolet Impala. This is one of those cars people often overlook, but financially, it makes a lot of sense, because what you're getting here is simple. A full-size sedan with a straightforward V6 engine that's been around for years. No complexity, no over-engineering, no unnecessary systems that can fail. And that's exactly why it works. Repairs are simple, parts are cheap, and almost every mechanic knows how to fix it. You're also getting real comfort. This is a big car, spacious interior, smooth ride, and perfect for long drives or daily use. It's not flashy, it's not exciting, but that's the point. Because at this price, boring is reliable, and reliable saves you money. 8. Hyundai Elantra, 2011 to 2016. At number 8, Hyundai Elantra. This is where you start getting something that feels newer, because most cars in this price range look and feel outdated. But the Elantra, it gives you a more modern design, both inside and out, without pushing you over budget. And that's a big advantage. On top of that, fuel economy is strong. This is the kind of car that saves you money every single week at the pump. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Compared to Toyota and Honda, Hyundai usually comes cheaper up front, which means you can often get a newer model year for the same $10,000 budget. And for a lot of people, that matters. You're getting better looks, decent reliability, and lower initial cost. It's not the absolute best in long-term durability, but for the price, It's one of the best value for money options you can buy in this range. 7. Mazda 3, 2010 to 2013. At number 7, Mazda 3. This is where reliability meets driving enjoyment, because most cars in this price range are built to be. But the Mazda 3 adds something extra. It's actually fun to drive. Better steering feel, more responsive handling, and overall, a more engaging experience behind the wheel. But here's the important part. It doesn't sacrifice reliability to do that. The mechanical design is still simple. No unnecessary complexity. No overcomplicated systems, which means ownership stays predictable, maintenance is affordable, repairs are manageable, and overall costs stay balanced. You're not just saving money, you're also enjoying the car. Now, one thing to keep in mind. In some regions, older Mazda models are known for rust issues, so condition matters here more than anything. But if you find a clean one, this is one of the few cars under $10,000 that gives you both reliability and a reason to actually enjoy driving it. 6. Toyota Prius, 2008 to 2013. And this is where the conversation shifts from purchase price to total ownership cost. Because nothing in this price range saves you money on fuel like this car. We're talking about extremely low fuel consumption. The kind of car where you stop thinking about fuel prices altogether. And for daily driving, especially in the city, that makes a huge difference over time. Now, a lot of people hesitate here because it's a hybrid. And the first thought is always, what about the battery? But here's the reality. Toyota's hybrid system is one of the most proven systems on the road. These cars have been running for years with hundreds of thousands of miles without major issues. And even when maintenance is needed, it's far less frequent than people expect. So what you end up with is simple. Lower fuel cost, low maintenance, and fewer overall expenses year after year. That's why this car stands out. Because when you look at the full picture, not just the price, but everything you spend over time, this might be one of the lowest total ownership cost cars you can buy under $10,000. 5. Ford Crown Victoria, 2003 to 2011. At number 5, Ford Crown Victoria. This isn't just a car, it's a machine built to survive abuse. Police cars, taxis, fleet vehicles. This platform was designed to run all day, every day, and keep going. And that kind of durability is exactly what you want under $10,000. The biggest advantage here, body-on-frame construction, which means this car is tough. And more importantly, easy to repair. No complicated structure, no fragile systems, no expensive surprises hiding underneath. If something breaks, it's usually straightforward to fix. And then there's parts. They're everywhere. They're cheap, and every mechanic already understands this car. That keeps your costs low consistently. Now, there is a trade-off. Fuel economy. This is not a fuel-efficient car. It's big, it's heavy, and it drinks more fuel than most cars on this list. But here's the trade. You spend more on fuel, but far less on repairs and reliability issues. And for a lot of people, that's a trade worth making. 4. Honda Accord, 2008 to 2012. At number 4, Honda Accord. This is where reliability starts to feel a little more premium, because the Accord isn't just dependable. It also gives you a step up in comfort and quality. The interior feels better. The ride is smoother. And overall, it feels like a more complete car. Under the hood, you've got strong engine options. The K24 four-cylinder, known for its durability and efficiency. And the V6, which adds real power and performance. Both are proven. Both are long-lasting. And both have been on the road for years with solid track records. This is a car that works for almost anyone. Daily driving, family use, long trips. It handles everything without stress. And that's what makes it practical. Now, one thing to keep in mind. If you go for the V6, maintenance costs can be slightly higher. More power, which usually means more upkeep. But even then, it's still far more manageable than most cars in this price range, because at the end of the day, you're getting a car that's reliable, comfortable, and built to last. 3. Toyota Camry 2007 to 2011. At number 3, Toyota Camry. This is one of the safest financial decisions you can make under $10,000 because this car isn't trying to impress you. It's built to last. Simple design, proven engineering, and a track record that's hard to beat. Under the hood, you've got reliable engine options. The 2.4 litre and 2.5 litre, both known for durability and long-term performance. These engines aren't complicated, and that's exactly why they work. Fewer things to go wrong means fewer unexpected expenses. Maintenance stays low, repairs are predictable, and ownership feels stress-free. This is also where practicality comes in. Spacious interior, comfortable ride, and enough reliability to handle years of daily use. That's why it's such a popular choice for families, because it just keeps going, without constantly asking for money. And at this price point, that's exactly what you want. 2. Honda Civic, 2006 to 2012. This is one of the most trusted cars you can buy in this price range, and there's a reason for that. Under the hood, you've got extremely reliable engines, the R18 and the K series, both known for going hundreds of thousands of miles with basic maintenance. No drama, no constant issues, just consistent performance over time. And that's what keeps ownership costs low. Maintenance is cheap, parts are everywhere, and repairs are usually simple. But the Civic has something else going for it. It's not just reliable, it's also a little more engaging to drive, better handling, more responsive feel. Compared to something like the Corolla, it feels a bit more alive on the road. And then there's resale value. This car holds its value better than most, which means even when you're ready to sell, you're not losing as much money. And that matters, because the goal isn't just to save money while owning the car, it's to protect your money even after you're done with it. 1. Toyota Corolla, 2008 to 2013. At number 1, Toyota Corolla. This is the definition of reliability. No hype, no complexity, no unnecessary features. Just a car that works every single day. And that's exactly why it ranks at the top. The design is simple. The engine is proven. And everything about this car is built for durability, which means fewer problems, fewer repairs, and far less money spent over time. When something does need fixing, it's easy, it's affordable, and every mechanic knows exactly what to do. That keeps your ownership stress low, and your costs even lower. This is the kind of car that just keeps going, year after year, without asking much in return. And when you look at the full picture, not just the price, but everything you spend over time, this is one of the lowest long-term ownership cost cars you can buy. Because at the end of the day, it just works for years. Now here's the reality. The goal isn't to buy the cheapest car you can find. It's to buy the car that costs you the least over time. Because a car can look cheap on day one and still end up costing you thousands later. That's the difference. The wrong car drains your money, the right car protects it, and every car on this list is built around one simple idea. Keep your costs low and your ownership stress even lower, because at the end of the day, the smartest $10,000 car isn't the one that looks expensive. It's the one that lets you keep your money. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Bidding for Autos for more real-world car buying insights, and share this with someone who's about to buy a car, because one wrong decision here could cost them thousands.